Welcome to Cooking with Kang. Today we are making banana bread muffins with no added sugar. It will still be sweet and delicious, I promise you. Here is a list of ingredients that I will be using. I will also have the list of ingredients in the description below. Let's get started. This batter comes together pretty quickly, so go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. So instead of sugar, I will be using dried dates. The dates along with the bananas will be enough to satisfy that sweet tooth. Also, it will be slightly healthier than dumping a bunch of processed sugars in there. Start off by finely chopping 10 dried dates. This should come out to about a cup and a half. Then, melt a couple of tablespoons of butter. I put the butter in the microwave on medium heat for 20 to 30 seconds or so. Careful not to run it for too long in the microwave because it will blow up and cause a mess in your microwave. Crack 1 large egg into a mixing bowl. Add 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Add a half cup of whole milk. Pour in the melted butter. Give it a little whisk. Now peel and mash up 3 very overripe bananas. If you don't have any overripe bananas, you can freeze them and let them thaw out. They should be nice and sweet after that. Add the mashed bananas into the mixture and give it a whisk. Now add a half teaspoon of ground allspice. It gives it a nutty, warm flavor. Grate half a cinnamon stick or use a half teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Throw in the dates and mix it all up. Through a fine mesh strainer, add a half teaspoon of baking soda and 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. Strain 1 cup of all-purpose flour into the mix. Gently start mixing with the whisk and move to a soft silicone spatula to get all the dry flour on the side of the mixing bowl. Please don't overmix the batter. It just needs to be mixed through with no dry flour showing. I have here a non-stick muffin tin with silicone cupcake liners. If you don't have cupcake liners, butter or spray your muffin tin with some non-stick oil. Spoon in your batter and try not to be as messy as me. After you get all the batter in the cupcake liners, give the muffin tin a few taps on the counter to even out the batter. Totally optional, but I like to top the muffins with some rolled oats, flaxseed, and some more cinnamon. You can substitute the oats with nuts or any other seed that you like poppy seeds and sesame seeds. Put the muffins in a 350 degree oven for 25 to 30 minutes. Check for doneness by poking one of the muffins with a toothpick. It should come out clean. If it's slightly wet, put it back in the oven for 5 to 10 more minutes. I love making these whenever I have some overripened bananas. They are a great healthy-ish snack anytime and they can sit in the freezer for months. 45 seconds in the microwave and they are hot and ready to eat. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this recipe a try and let me know in the comments how these turn out for you. Please like, share, and subscribe, and thanks for watching Cooking with Kang.